Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Hope all are studying now at home properly, and ma'am is also helping you in different types of ways. Whatever can be possible, ma'am is helping in the live class and making videos and solving your doubts and once again taking some revision of few chapters. Now today in EVS also we will revise one chapter, that is chapter number 17. In your EVS book you can see chapter number 17, traveling is fun. Why I have taken revision of this chapter? Because we have to move or we have to travel to different places for our different needs. Okay, some places are far away. For that we have to take either train, aeroplane or tram, metro, all this. For nearby places we can use car, bus, scooter, this. And in the village area we have learned that people are using mostly for carrying things and for going from one place to another. That bullock cart, tonga, these are the we can see in village area mostly. This, while doing this chapter we have learned everything, types of vehicles, different means of transport we have learned. Now once again we will revise through various exercise and activities. It will be revised so that you can recall once again all these things through various exercises. So first exercise I have taken, you have learned in this chapter many new words. That new words practice once again I have taken in the form of jumble word. Okay, so let me revise once again how to arrange this jumble word and find out different means of transport. So let's start. So chapter number 17, revision, traveling is fun. Means of transport. What is the meaning of means of transport? You have already learned. Means of transport are the vehicles that help us to travel and move from one place to another easily and quickly. That we will learn right here. So means of transport, means of different transports help us to travel from one place to another easily and quickly. Yes. So traveling is fun. In this chapter we have to learn. We have already learned about means of transport. So means of transport, how they help us. Means of transport, different transport help us to travel from one place to another easily and quickly. Different means of transport are there: road transport, air transport, then water transport. We have learned everything. Now it is time to revise once again. So different means of transport name is given here in the form of jumble way. We have to arrange it correctly and find out correct means of transport name. So arrange and write correct means of transport name. First one, NTRRA. Can you identify which means of transport it is? Yes, try to identify. I will help you. Yes, TRAIN, train, moves on railway tracks. So TRAIN, train, isn't it? This way you have to arrange it. Okay. Then YCIVELC. Yes. Guess it which means of transport it is. In which means of transport this letters are there. Yes, I will help you. BICYCLE. BICYCLE cycle. CYCLE. BICYCLE. bicycle. Isn't it? Two-wheel vehicles. It for moving from one place to nearby places. It is used. Okay. Then here ERCSOTO. In which means of transport double O is used? Can you guess? Yes, I will help you. SCOOTER. Scooter. Two-wheel vehicle. It is also SCOOTER. Scooter. SC then double O then PER. Scooter. This is also used to move nearby places and we can reach easily with the help of scooter. Now please identify EMTSAER. What is it? Can you guess it? Yes? I will help you. STEAMER. Steamer. It runs on water vehicle. So STEA then MER. Steamer. Okay. Now this one identify ERKCOT. This is it can move in air. Air vehicle. Yes. ROCKET. 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 Isn't it? Now come to this next side. OTMRE. Very easy. Yes. This is METRO. 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 If you learn the new words, then it will be easy for you to arrange quickly. Then ACRTORT. Which type means of transport it is? It runs on land. That I can tell you. Guess it. Which one? TRAC. Track. TOR. Tractor. It helps farmer to plow the field. Yes. Tractor. TRAC. Track. TOR. Tractor. Okay. Now next one. RTEOCELIHT. Big spelling, big letters, but very easy to identify. If you little bit try, you can guess this. Shall I show you? HELICOP. Cop. TER. Helicopter. Moves in air. It is a airboat vehicle. So yes, HELI. Heli, then COP, then TER, helicopter. Okay. Now this one, SAWHCKIR, If you try, you can find out one land vehicle. What is it? I'll show you. RICK, Rick. SHAW, Shaw. We'll get now here AUTO, auto. Add auto first, then rickshaw. AUTO, auto, then RICK, SHAW, auto rickshaw. We will start from here. It is a big spelling. So we will start from here. Auto rickshaw. AUTO, auto. RICK. It is not coming. Let me rub and let me a big spelling. Okay. A-U-T-O, auto, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Auto rickshaw. Now I'll make border like this. Okay. Like this I'll make border, then it will be visible easily. Here it is a big spelling, it needs more space actually. Fine. A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, auto rickshaw. Now next last one. P-A-N-E-N-A-R-E-O. Very easy this one also. Shall I show you? Yes. A-E, or from here instead. A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, P-L-A-N-E, A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Right here, A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Yes? So children, if you have learned the new words of this chapter, it will be easy for you to complete very easily and quickly. If you have not learned yet, it is time to observe, do practice, and this will be helpful for you everywhere to answer in live class or to attempt in practice test. So please observe it. Okay.